Liberty Cafe, isa sa mga sikat na Filipino restaurant sa Vancouver. Pero sa susunod na buwan, magsasara na ito.
And it's truly heartbreaking for us that we have to leave.
Si Malu at Charles Sang ang mga may-ari ng restaurant na itinayo noong 2021 kung saan tampok ang ilang Filipino dishes at desserts sa menu nila.
Most of our clients are Filipinos, but since word of mouth, customers starting to introduce the restaurant to different diversity.
Ngunit sa nakalipas na 4 na taon, napansin daw ng mga negosyante ang pagtaas ng presyo sa karamihan ng ginagamit nilang ingredients.
Everything increased, the protein, milk, eggs, especially Silog has a lot of eggs. Everything really increased almost 20 to 30%, some of them are 40%.
Gayunpaman, hindi raw ito ang naging dahilan ng kanilang napipintong pagsasara. Anila, nagdesisyon silang isara ang kanilang negosyo matapos doblehan ng kanilang landlord ang upa.
We can increase the meal, we can increase the price here, cut down the ingredients just like any other business, shorten the business hours. But within this 1 year, he already mentioned it to us, the rent will increase more than 120%. I tried several ways, try to make the business keep going, but there's no way anybody can do anything about it.
Naging mahirap daw ang desisyong isara ang restaurant para sa mga may-ari nito. Lalo na't kailangan daw nilang maghanap ng ibang lokasyon na mas mababa ang renta at kaya pa rin puntahan ng kanilang mga customer.
If we're going to look for another location, it needs to be accessible to the customer as well, close to SkyTrain station, and there's other businesses around.
Bukod sa paghahanap ng bagong lokasyon, nahaharap din sa pagsubok ang negosyo lalo't anila mas mahal na rin ang pagtatayo at pagdidisenyo ng kaprehong cafe sa ngayon.
Since the pandemic, since 2021, material, labor, everything increased. I just spoke to them like a month ago. So now they've been telling me that if somehow, in order to build a similar cafe like this, the price will be double.
Wala pang napiling lokasyon kung saan magbubukas ulit ang Liberty Cafe. Pero umaasa ang mga may-ari na sana mangyayari ito sa susunod na 6 na buwan malapit sa Kingsway area o sa dating komunidad na kinabilangan nito sa Joyce Collingwood.
Just want to thank all of you from near and far that visited Liberty Cafe. Thank you for all the support.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.